Hello, good morning students. Today let us start the exercises. So please open the textbook. Okay. Hello students, take exercise number A, page number 10. Tick the correct sentences. Tick the correct sentences. First one, the prince was happy because he had everything. There is a right statement, you have to put right mark. The statue was made of gold and covered in lead. There is a wrong statement, you have to put wrong. Third one, the statue was sad. That is a correct thing, you have to put a right mark. Fourth, the swallow did not want to go to a warmer country. Wrong statement. The swallow was late in leaving for the warm country. That is the correct statement. Next one, sum it up. Sum it up. This is a story of the lesson. This is a story of the lesson. According to the number, you have to say each word. You have to arrange. First one, when the happy prince died, his people made a statue of him. Next one, the statue became sad because of all the sad things he could see. Third one, the prince told the swallow to give the red gem from his sword to a poor woman. Fourth one, the prince asked the swallow to take a gem from his eye and give it to the young man. Then what happened? Fifth one, the swallow died. Next, the prince was heartbroken. Next, God told his angel to bring two precious things from the town. Next one, the angel brought the prince's broken heart and the dead swallow to him. This is a story of the lesson. So according to the order I said, you have to arrange according to the order. Now the next one, exercise number E. What is that? Exercise number E. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. First one. What was the drop of water that fell on the swallow's head? Swallow's head. Tear. Tear spelling T-E-A-R. Tear. What was the first task that the swallow performed for the prince? Delivered a red gem to the little boy's mother. Next one. Why was the swallow not happy to take the blue gem for the girl selling matches? Answer. He was afraid that without it the prince would become blind. Okay, now next one. Whose statue did the counselors want to put up in place of the happy prince? Answer. The mayor. Next one. Exercise number F. Answer this question I will send in PDF. Next one, exercise number G. Complete these sentences. That also I'll put it up in the PDF. Next one. Choose the correct options to complete these proverbs. First one, the early bird. What is the answer? Bird catches the worm. Next one, don't put all your eggs. Fill the blanks. What to write? Eggs you have to fill here in one basket. Third one, a stitch in time serves 9. You have to write 9 here. Next one, the bird of a feather flock together. The feather you have to write here. Next one, better late than never. So what answer? Late. Next one, fill in the blanks with the phrases from the box. In this box there are phrases. You have to fill with the phrases. The bracelet made of. What is the answer here? Made of gold and rubies. Second one, I gave the little girl my ice cream and she ran off. What is answer? Ran off. You have to put happily. Look in my cupboard and pick out. So what is answer here? Pick out a dress to wear to the party. Help me put up. What is answer? Put up. You have to write here. The painting Sudhir. Karthi decided to take up a new hobby in the spare time. Next one. We are going to learn a grammar part. What is that? Grammar part. But here I am going to teach you what are called verbs. Verbs mean kriya. So this definition can come for the examination. You have to mark it and study. What are called verbs? The words that name actions are called verb. You have to underline and learn it. So a sentence is incomplete without verb. अगर sentence में verb नहीं है, that sentence is incomplete. For example, the happy prince the town people every day. In this sentence there is no verb. So with that verb only we have to write. So I'll say once again with verb. The happy prince saw that town people every day. Here saw. What is the saw here? Verb. Next one, the swallows flew to a warmer place. Here verb here what is the verb? Flew. Next one, the boy tossed about in his bed. Here what is the verb? Tossed. When we speak about something that is happening at the moment, we usually use the ing form of the verb with the helping verb. Ing form of the verb with the helping verb. For example, swallows are flying. In this sentence, which is the helping verb are. Flying is an ing form of the verb. Away to a warmer place. Okay, next one. Exercise number L. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the box. In the box there are verbs. The volcano erupts. Erupts you have to write from the box. Lightning strikes. You have to write strikes here. A frog croaks. You have to write here croaks. The wind blows. You have to write here blows. A wolf howls. You have to write howls. Grass cracks. Next one, exercise number M. Fill in the blanks with correct verbs from the box. Box में कुछ correct verbs है. You have to write it. The swallow flew. Here is verb flew. Away to a warmer place. Second one, it was cold, so we drank some hot chocolate. Drank is क्या आएगा verb here. Drank. The happy prince cried. What is verb here? Cried. What is that? Cried. Mansavi helps the gardener by watering. The helps and waterings are, what is that? This verb. Next one. The Kim's car had a flat tire, so she walked. What is that? She walked. Next one. Prem swims. What is the verb here? Swims in the lake every day. Next one. Combine and use words from both the boxes. You may need to use some of the words more than once. Okay. Is, are. These are helping verb. Visiting verb, working, giving. These are the ing form of the verb. I am visiting. What is this am ing helping verb, visiting ing form of the verb. My grandparents in June. Second one, the teacher is giving us some sums to solve. The Madhu and Reena are giving to Kashmir for a holiday. Fourth one, the children are reciting a poem on Animal Day. Fifth one, Reenu is working on her science project. Sixth one, I am listening to music. This is the end of the exercise. Okay, learn and I'll send all these in PDF file. Okay.